Hello world, my name is Paulo Almeida, I'm 22 years old, from Portugal. I decided to take the CS50 to improve my programming skills. For my final project, I decided to build a game with Love Lua. I watched this 11-hour tutorial which I found very useful. If you want to build a 2D game, I highly recommend this tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description. I named my project Zombie Slayer. It's a survival shooter game with infinite levels. As a player, you can shoot and move in order to kill the enemies or avoid being touched by the zombies. Every time you kill all the zombies on the screen, more and faster zombies will spawn. At a certain number of zombie kills, you can upgrade your weapon. You can upgrade your weapon up to 3 times. The last weapon upgrade, you are so powerful. But zombies too. I reutilized some code from the tutorial. I believe there was no point inventing the wheel for basic stuff like buttons or menu. I implemented my own game logic and I'm very satisfied. Thank you for watching the video. Enjoy the gameplay.